so here's the kit, and I'm going to go ahead and do it now so we can see what I'm made of. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. There we go. So here it is, opened. Okay, so this is the kit. I opened it. Let's see what it says. Basically, it tells you how to activate the kit. Okay. Oh, there's my number. Okay, that's, I guess, where you send it back. And here's the thing I have to spit in. Now, this is the part that I'm just not sure about because I don't know if I could make that much spit, but we're about to find out. Okay, so this saliva test kit comes with the tube, of course, and then this blue liquid that I guess you're supposed to screw on top when you're done. You have to fill it all the way up to that black line, and then shake it for 5 seconds and melt it in here. Okay, so this is the part that I've been dreading. I don't know if I could do it, but we'll see. I'll probably have to fast forward it because it's probably gonna take a while, but here we go. Oh. Okay, so I finally finished it. It's a little bit later. I kind of messed up, but I'm going to go ahead and put it in this little thing. And here's the tube. It took a long time for me to produce the spit. It's kind of nasty, but I'm waiting on my friends to come get me, and then we're going to go drop it off at the mailbox. Oh yeah, and if you guys are wondering why I have on a different shirt, it's because I had to change because it is raining so hard outside. Like, it's been raining on and off all day today. Look at this. Oh, of course I opened the door and it's not raining anymore, but look. Yeah, so literally like 5 minutes ago it was pouring down so hard, but whatever. On the way to the mall, and then I'm gonna drop off this DNA kit so we can see what's happening. Food court, being fat.
Okay, hold on, give me that.
Okay, so Sonic it is for dinner. Or at least for me, because they got Chinese and hot wings, and I'm getting Sonic.
We should get some ice cream. Well, after we go home.
Oh, we're supposed to be making brownies. We can make some brownies with some ice cream.
Nickname is Nikki, and my name ain't Nicole.
What a bummer, nigga in a Hummer. I just realized I ate Chinese food.
Sonic cherry limeades are so good. Here you go.
Damn this damn small little bitty.
Thank you.
It's too late.
Yay! Okay, so finally I get to get my test results in 6 to 8 weeks. I can't wait.
1010 Alexander, 1914 10th Street, all the way down there.
That was so good.
I told you my teacher was going to try to trick us into eating those. I guess across.
Oh my god.
Finally finished with the video. So if you like, comment, subscribe, and share. He's retarded. Bye. Love you guys. Okay, so I know this is random. I just thought about this. I never explained what I was. So I am Korean and Puerto Rican. So my dad is full Puerto Rican and my mom is full Korean. And I just want to know exactly, you know, if there's anything else in there. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and add this in the video just to, I guess, give you guys a heads up of, you know, what I am. And then we'll see what the results say. Okay? Good night.